Artificial intelligence is changing everything. But have you ever wondered how ChatGPT, the AI you're watching this video because of, was actually created? Today, we're diving deep into the secret story behind ChatGPT, where it came from, how it works, and what's coming next. Welcome to AV. Let's decode the brain of AI. 1. The beginning of OpenAI. The story of ChatGPT begins in 2015 when a group of tech visionaries, including Elon Musk, Sam Altman, and others, founded OpenAI. Their mission? To build AI that's safe for humanity and freely accessible. They feared what could happen if advanced AI fell into the wrong hands. So instead of keeping it private, they made OpenAI a non-profit research lab with one goal: align AI with human values. 2. The first experiments. In 2018, OpenAI released GPT-1, a model trained on books and Wikipedia. It was a decent writer, but nothing mind-blowing. Then came GPT-2 in 2019. This model was so good at generating text, OpenAI feared it could be used for fake news or manipulation. They actually refused to release the full version at first. Eventually, as the world saw the benefits, OpenAI shared it, and then came the game changer, GPT-3, released in 2020. 3. What makes GPT-3 so powerful? GPT-3 had 175 billion parameters. That's like having 175 billion adjustable dials for understanding and generating text. Trained on massive datasets from books, websites, forums, and more, GPT-3 could write essays, poems, even computer code. But it was still a language model. It didn't understand what it said. It was just predicting the next word, but doing it incredibly well. 4. ChatGPT is born. In late 2022, OpenAI combined GPT 3.5 with a technique called reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF. That's how ChatGPT was born. This model could take feedback, follow instructions better, and maintain more human-like conversations. People loved it. In just 5 days, ChatGPT hit 1 million users, faster than any app in history. 5. The technology behind it. So how does it work? ChatGPT uses a model called a transformer, introduced by Google in 2017. This architecture lets the model process language in context, not just word by word, but based on surrounding meaning. It doesn't just read text. It analyzes patterns, relationships, and structures in language. It's like autocomplete on steroids. 6. GPT-4 and beyond. In 2023, OpenAI released GPT-4, which improved dramatically in reasoning, creativity, and even vision. 7. Is ChatGPT conscious? Despite its power, ChatGPT is not conscious. It doesn't have emotions, beliefs, or goals. It's just a tool, a very smart, very helpful one. But its realistic language sometimes fools people into thinking it's alive. This is called the AI illusion. And it's something both scientists and users need to watch carefully. 8. Risks and ethics. ChatGPT is amazing, but it's not without risk. It can spread false information, reflect human bias, or be used for harmful purposes. That's why companies like OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic are working on AI alignment, safety, and transparency. If we're not careful, AI could amplify inequality or even undermine trust in truth itself. 9. The future of ChatGPT. What's next? Expect ChatGPT to become more visual, more real-time, and more integrated into our daily lives. Your digital assistant, your coding partner, your study buddy, your business coach, all in one place. But the big question remains: will it serve us, or eventually try to replace us? Only time will tell.